guys, I just wanted to let you guys know, on my Twitch, which is gonna be probably here or in the description down below. I just found out I have 81 followers on Twitch. And it's pretty cool that I actually got that much. Sorry if I'm blocking the mic, I just didn't want the wind to hit it. So yeah, I hit 80 followers, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. If you guys want to keep following, I'll put the link down below. It's so much fun to have you guys to follow. It's a blast. I can't believe that I finally got someone. Like, I'm trying to work so hard for you guys, just so you guys can be happy. And when you guys did that, it just felt so warm in my heart that I had someone doing this. I'm going to be planning a 24-hour stream. If you guys are up to it, I will do it. I've been doing one every single day. Looking at the 24 stream, but I've been doing hours upon hours upon hours of doing this. So yeah, I'll put the link down below of my YouTube, my Twitch, my Twitter, my Facebook, whatever. So yeah, I'll put that. Thank you guys so much. I'm happy. If you guys could at least get me 20 more on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube, I'll be so happy. I'll give you guys more of what you guys want. More FaceTime, more vlogs, whatever you want. I don't care. I'll do it. Challenges, I'll do that. I will do anything for you guys. No, nothing sexual, nothing like that. I'm just gonna do gaming, vlog, challenges. That's all I'm gonna do. And then, if I go out, I'll try to do some of my footage out there too. I'll try my best. Family comes first with you, with my family, it comes first. So I might not do it right away. I'm gonna try to set up a schedule for you guys. At least try to do 20 minutes probably, if I can. Would love for you guys to meet my family, but it's gonna be strict if I get you guys to. Might not, it depends. Depends if I can try my best, or whatever, you know. Anyways, I'm blabbling now. So yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard doing this because my body will need the rest, and since I'm out of high school now, it's just gonna be so much for me not to do, except trying to find a job at least. I'm babbling again. I'm sorry. So yeah, I'll give you also my music. Excuse me. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna get some sleep and try to think of the days that I'll be trying to think, because Tuesdays and Thursdays I'm not gonna be streaming. So yeah, I'm gonna be trying to think that kind of stuff through, but Tuesdays and Thursdays I'm not gonna be streaming. Like the rest of the days I'm gonna be streaming. Saturday, Sunday, it might be. But August is gonna be not the day that that month I'm gonna stream. Depends what's gonna go down. Cause I have RTX to watch from Rooster Teeth. I have stuff else going on, so I might not be like really busy. So yeah. Anyways, peace.